Every time you think about getting a new tool, you probably head straight to Amazon. And let's be honest, the endless list of tools there can be overwhelming. That's why we decided to start a new series on our channel, where we'll handpick some amazing tools from Amazon just for you. And today we're kicking it off with the very first video of the series. Hope you enjoy the list. The FACOM DIGI-CAL torque wrenches represent a leap forward in precision and ease of use. Combining the familiarity of the mechanical click with a digital screen, these wrenches reduce errors in setting and enhance value readings. The new nonlinear mechanism guarantees superior accuracy, repeatability, and simplified calibration, while the integration of light alongside the click ensures reliable torque application. With a bearing mechanism for quicker value setting, an LCD screen featuring high-contrast, easy-to-read scales, and a single control button, these wrenches make precision effortless. Their anti-roll design prevents accidents, reducing the chance of drops and damage, with rubber for impact absorption and a sealed body for durability. Here comes the Milwaukee M12 Brushless Planer, an ultimate precision tool that equips with the Power State brushless motor. With a blazing 14,500 RPM and equipped with 2 carbide blades, it effortlessly delivers an impeccable surface finish. Its dual-sided shavings port allows you to direct shavings exactly where you want them, while the included universal hose adapter ensures compatibility with a wide range of vacuum sizes. Weighing in a mere 3.1 pounds and featuring a compact design, it's a breeze to handle, and the 2-inch wide shoe optimized for common trim materials ensures unrivaled accuracy. Craftsmanship meets innovation in the Milwaukee M12 Brushless Planer. The Sunjoe IONMAX Workshop Blower and Vacuum Kit is your handy, cordless helper for keeping your workspace neat and tidy. It's powered by a rechargeable battery, so no more messy cords or gas. This lightweight tool has 2 speeds and can blow air at up to 185 miles per hour or vacuum debris. It even comes with different nozzles for different tasks. With this kit, you can easily clean your garage, shed, or workspace without the hassle. It's a simple, powerful, and convenient solution for all your cleaning needs. Weighing in at just 3.5 pounds, it's ultra lightweight and ready to be your ultimate workshop companion, making cleanup a breeze with style and ease. This cutting-edge roof moisture meter can swiftly detect and measure leaks within the roofing structure. Meet Tramex DEC SCANNER. It comes with 3 sensitivity ranges and a 6-inch penetration depth, accommodating various roof membranes and insulation thicknesses. What sets it apart is its instant readings and the ability to cover up to 100,000 square feet of flat roof area in a single day, making it a game changer for efficiency. Plus, it's user-friendly, safe, and requires no regulatory hassles, making it the ideal choice for water leak detection and roofing material integrity testing. Elevate your roofing assessments with the DEC Scanner. Starting with the DEWALT 20-volt max cordless cable stripper. With a depth gauge that consistently strips cables up to 4 inches in diameter, it effortlessly handles MCM electrical cables. Its quick-release bushings allow for swift changes to accommodate various cable sizes, while the variable speed trigger with reverse ensures precise speed control. The built-in adjustable LED light illuminates dark or low-light workspaces, and the kit box provides convenient storage for the tool, bushings, battery, and charger. Plus, the e-clutch system guarantees you stay in control even if the tool encounters a jam. This is the tool that takes cable stripping to a whole new level. Any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman will appreciate the innovation of the STANLEY MAXSTEEL multi-angle vise. Featuring a patented ball joint, it grants you the power to rotate your project a full 360 degrees and lock it at any angle, offering unparalleled flexibility and precision. With multiple positions for added convenience and easier access, it's a game changer for all your work. Plus, its removable rubber jaw covers cater to a wide range of applications, ensuring your delicate finishes stay protected. Elevating your project to a whole new level of craftsmanship, the STANLEY MAXSTEEL multi-angle vise is the ultimate tool for those who demand versatility, precision, and excellence in their work. This high-tech magnetic stud finder has a compact design and offers great functionality. With laser mark technology, the Kreg magnetic stud finder projects the precise stud location effortlessly, while its 2 powerful rare earth magnets allow it to hold itself against the wall, detecting screws and nails in both wood and metal studs, freeing up your hands for precise work. Its small and pocket-friendly design makes it an indispensable accessory for carpenters on the go, and its precision-centered marking notches and high-visibility bubble level ensure accuracy in measurements and leveling. When you're using Kreg tools, you're not just working, you're bridging the gap between idea and flawless execution.
When it comes to nailing drywall, the PULSA 27P redefines speed, precision, and convenience. With a sleek and compact design, it's remarkably portable, tipping the scales at just 3.4 kilograms. Yet, it's a powerhouse, boasting an impressive impact force of 95 J and a magazine capacity of 30 fixings, ensuring efficiency on the job. It thrives in a broad temperature range from -15 degrees Celsius to +49 degrees Celsius and can deliver a staggering 1,000 fixings per hour, translating to a lightning-fast 2 fixings per second. Wagner PowerTex, your ultimate texture spray gun, transforming your surfaces with finesse. With its versatile design, it's engineered to effortlessly apply textured finishes on ceilings, walls, and other tough surfaces. It comes with 3 interchangeable nozzles for acoustical popcorn, knockdown, and orange peel textures, offering artistic freedom. The lock-and-go technology simplifies setup, making it a breeze to lock the air turbine, attach the 1-gallon paint hopper, and select your nozzle. Its adjustable hopper ensures ease when switching between walls and ceilings, with a stable 3-point stand and a built-in armrest for your comfort. What sets it apart is the built-in air turbine, eliminating the need for an external compressor or air hose, making the Wagner PowerTex a true game-changer in texture spraying. The Klein utility staple starter and staples redefine efficiency for utility pole work. Designed for installing ground wires and molding, it's a heavy-duty manual staple starter that accommodates Klein's 2-inch by 1-inch staples as well as staples from the current market. With a top-loading feature for quick staple reloads, it minimizes the hassle of dropped staples, holding up to 35 to 40 staples, enough for one pole installation. Crafted from durable steel and aluminum, it ensures top-notch performance, with a built-in ruler for precision staple spacing, a jam release for bent staple removal, and a staple holder that automatically loads the next staple, guaranteeing smooth operation. Plus, it features a D-ring for easy hanging and storage. Whether you're dealing with packaged film, boxed goods, or unpackaged materials, this Prof Cloud allows you to effortlessly uncoil even the trickiest materials from the inside, without any frustrating twisting. In just a few simple steps, this tool is ready for action. And when the job is done, it's just as quick to stow away in its professional bag for transport to the next construction site. With an extended core height and enlarged work surface, it's tailor-made for handling large, bulky cable coils, corrugated tubing, polymer pipes, and heavy cables. Whether you're in the electrical or sanitation field, the Cloud XL is your ideal companion for unwinding underfloor heating pipes and water polymer pipes, making your work smoother and more efficient. Are you tired of dealing with static electricity and pesky dust particles ruining your paintwork? Look no further than the Kemtex ION GUN. This revolutionary tool is designed to eliminate static charges on both metal and plastic parts, ensuring a flawless finish every time. With its rechargeable feature, you can count on the ION GUN to deliver consistent performance without the hassle of replacing batteries. Operating at an optimal working pressure of 2 to 3 bar, this device is efficient and effective in neutralizing static electricity, providing you with the perfect canvas for your painting projects. Say goodbye to frustrating paint imperfections and hello to professional quality results with the Kemtex ION GUN by your side. It's time to get rid of the cumbersome hoses and compressors with the SKIL PowerCore Brushless Brad Nailer Kit. This cordless nailer delivers unparalleled convenience and performance. Powered by a 20-volt battery, it boasts best-in-class runtime, driving up to 1,000 nails on a single charge. With a powerful brushless motor, it can drive up to 2 nails per second with minimal ramp-up time, ensuring swift and efficient operation. Equipped with tool LED lights, it enhances visibility in dimly lit work areas, while its quick depth adjustment wheel enables easy setting of the ideal nailing depth. Compact and lightweight, this nail gun is perfect for tight spaces, reducing fatigue during extended use. With selectable sequential and bump modes, dry fire lockout, and tool-free jam clearance, this versatile nailer offers unmatched convenience and reliability. Introducing the Prexiso P1P30 Torpedo Laser Level, your ultimate companion for precise leveling tasks. This versatile tool offers horizontal, vertical, and 45-degree applications, making it perfect for a wide range of indoor construction projects. With a maximum operating range of 100 feet for point leveling and 10 meters for line leveling, the P130 ensures efficient and accurate performance. Equipped with adjustable foot aids for precise leveling and a magnetic base with V-groove, it allows for hands-free operation, enhancing convenience on the job site. Whether wall-mounted or tripod-mounted, this laser level provides the flexibility needed to tackle various tasks with ease, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Here comes the Parker Punch Tool, a pneumatic button punch tool specifically engineered for fastening metal decking side laps. Unlike manual button punches, which require significant physical effort and are limited in their punching capacity, this air-powered tool operates at high speed. This tool delivers up to 9,600 punches per day. This remarkable punching capability translates to increased productivity and efficiency on the job site, allowing workers to complete metal decking installations more quickly and with less fatigue. With its user-friendly design and robust performance, this tool is a valuable asset for any construction project requiring metal decking installation. Do you need a hassle-free solution for cutting rebar or rods without generating sparks? Meet the ZUPPER Rebar Cutter ERC20. Powered by a high-performance brushless motor, it operates cooler and more efficiently, ensuring smooth and precise cuts every time. With its 360-degree rotating cutting head, it adapts easily to different working positions, while the high-hardness steel casting blade can effortlessly handle metal bars ranging from 3 to 20 millimeters. Capable of cutting metal bars in just 3 to 5 seconds, this tool is a reliable companion for various applications, including building construction, emergency disaster relief, and electrical and communication construction projects. Whether on the job site or in need of a quick solution, the ERC20 Rebar Cutter proves to be a valuable asset with its versatility and efficiency.
If you're such a handyman who never compromises on the precision and quality of his deck installation process, you should get the CAMO lever. This innovative tool straightens and locks in rows of boards and clips so you drastically reduce the total installation time. It's designed to handle even the most warped boards, ensuring a flawless finish every time. With its adjustable design, the CAMO lever can be used with single, double, and steel joists, providing versatility on any job site. The multi-directional lever can be locked in with just one turn, simplifying the installation process further. For optimal results, using 2 to 4 levers is recommended, guaranteeing a seamless clip installation experience. Say goodbye to tedious deck installations and hello to effortless professional quality results with the CAMO lever. Whether you're looking for a reliable safety cutter for your cutting tasks or just want to add more versatile tools to your lineup, the OLFA SK16 will be great for you. This is a replaceable blade safety cutter designed with your safety and convenience in mind. Perfect for tasks like unpacking and cutting cardboard, carpet, and heavy-duty flooring materials, this cutter ensures you stay safe and secure during handling. Reinforced with fiberglass for durability, it's tough enough for professional use. Plus, changing the blade is a breeze, and it even includes a metallic tape slitter for added convenience. Looking to tackle demanding tasks with ease? The PRO R19 Hamertacker is your perfect workmate. Crafted for intensive applications such as fastening labels, posters, textile, plastic wrap, or insulation material, this lightweight Hamertacker is up to the challenge. Its quick and easy bottom loading feature, coupled with a non-slip ergonomic handle, ensures smooth operation and minimizes hand fatigue even during prolonged use. Built with robust all-steel heavy-duty construction of Swedish origin, it guarantees durability and longevity, making it a reliable companion for professional craftsmen. Compatible with fine wire staple number 13, 4 to 6 millimeters, this tacker offers versatility for various fastening needs. Get the PRO R19 Hamertacker to deliver consistent performance job after job in any demanding work environment. HellermannTyton CPK Hybrid, an innovative cable tie application tool that redefines versatility and efficiency in the industry. Powered by an 18-volt lithium-ion battery, this tool offers the convenience of cordless operation for maximum portability or continuous performance when plugged in. With the ability to apply up to 8,000 ties on a single charge and a top speed of 92 ties per minute, the CPK Hybrid excels in high-volume automatic bundling applications. Its advanced features include 2 discrete drive motors for precise tension control, a TFT display for production data monitoring, and compatibility with a wide range of professional tools in the Metabo Cordless Alliance system. Whether used in handheld, bench-mounted, or fully automated workflows, this tool sets a new standard for cable tie application tools with its unmatched performance and adaptability. At the end, here we have the RAIMONDI RMR175 Tiler's Vacuum Cup. This tool is made for the topmost tiling precision. Crafted for reliability and efficiency, this vacuum cup delivers a secure grip even on textured surfaces, ensuring seamless tile installation. With a robust design capable of handling loads up to 130 kilograms, combined with a convenient vacuum gauge for easy monitoring, this tool guarantees optimal performance every time. Plus, it comes complete with a sturdy carry case for portability and spare parts availability, which means you'll be getting long-term durability with zero maintenance. And that wraps up our very first episode of this Amazon tool series. We hope you found some cool tools worth checking out. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next list of amazing finds from Amazon.